What if I tell you the greatest victories in life are won without fighting? Sounds strange, but thousands of years ago, a man discovered this powerful truth. Welcome back to the channel. Today we are going to explore a timeless masterpiece, The Art of War by Sun Tzu. This is not just a book about war, it is a book about life, strategy, and intelligent thinking. Sun Tzu was an ancient Chinese general, strategist, and a philosopher who lived more than 2000 years ago. He believed that true victory doesn't come from strength alone, but from wisdom, planning, and understanding human nature. Now imagine a young warrior standing before his first battle. His heart is racing, his mind is full of fear. He wants to win, but he doesn't know how. Then he remembers the teachings of Sun Tzu. The first teaching of Sun Tzu is know yourself and know your enemy. That is very important. You have to know yourself and know your enemy before taking a step. The warrior stops. He looks within himself. What are my strengths? And what are my weaknesses? Then he studies his enemy, and slowly his fears begins to disappear because knowledge brings confidence. The second key idea of this book is winning without fighting. That is a very important and significant idea. The warrior realizes something surprising. He doesn't need to fight every battle. Instead of rushing forward, he chooses a smarter path. He avoids unnecessary conflict and wins through strategy. Because true strength is control, not aggression. The third key idea of this book is the power of planning. So this idea is very much important, which is given by Sun Tzu, the power of planning. Before acting, he plans every move carefully. Like a chess player, he thinks ahead. One wrong move can lead to defeat, but one wise step can lead to victory. The fourth idea is strategy and deception. Now the warrior learns another secret. Do not reveal everything. Sometimes appear weak when you are strong. That is very important. Appear weak when you are strong and appear strong when you are weak, because victory belongs to those who think, not just act. The fifth important idea is speed and timing. The warrior waits, he doesn't rush, he observes, he prepares, and when the right moment comes, he acts quickly. Because timing can decide success or failure. The sixth idea is adaptability. But suddenly the situation changes, the plan no longer works. What do? He adapts, he changes his strategy and moves with the situation, because life rewards those who adjust. Leadership and discipline. The seventh idea of this book is very important: leadership and discipline. When the warrior stands strong, calm, focused, disciplined, he leads with confidence, not with fear, because true leadership begins from within. So we can say that even today this book is very much important for us. This ancient book is studied around the world, not just by soldiers but by business leaders, thinkers, and successful people, because it teaches us how to think clearly, act wisely, and win challenges without unnecessary struggle. So concluding that, the warrior wins because he was the strongest, not because he was the strongest, but he was the smartest. This is the true message of the art of the warrior, the art of the war. Life is not about fighting harder, it is about thinking better. So if you found this video valuable, don't forget to like, share and subscribe, and tell me in the comments what is one strategy you will apply in your life. See you in next video.